Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Eye Cream is probably one of the most talked about skincare products, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this affordable yet effective eye cream from The Ordinary. I'll be sharing my experience, discussing its key ingredients, and breaking down whether it lives up to the hype. If you're looking to refresh your under eye area and want to know if this product is worth adding to your routine, then you're in the right place. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. This under eye cream is designed to reduce puffiness. It has a non-greasy finish, leaving the under eyes looking hydrated, smooth, brightened, and more awake. The cream contains hyaluronic acid to retain skin's moisture and niacinamide to soothe skin. It uses multivesicular emulsion technology for lasting hydration. Apply a pea-sized amount to your ring fingers and gently pat around the eye area and brow bone, both morning and night. The fast-absorbing formula can be worn alone or under makeup. This product includes 3 essential ceramides, which are naturally found in the skin. These ceramides help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. Developed with dermatologists and ophthalmologists tested, it's accepted by the National Eczema Association. The CeraVe brand offers products suitable for various skin types. What we like? This CeraVe cream is a great choice if you struggle with puffy eyes. It's packed with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides, which help to keep the skin moisturized. If you are looking for a gentle, yet effective eye cream that's also developed with dermatologists, you should consider this one. What people say. The product is effective for reducing the appearance of dark circles. It helps to hydrate the under eye area. The cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly. Number 4. Grace and STELLA Gold Under Eye Mask. Eyes are the first thing people notice. Feel confident and look your best by adding these gold under eye patches into your daily self-care routine. It helps you look refreshed and awake. Reduce puffiness, bags, and swelling with this cooling mask. Enjoy your me time while reducing the visibility of fine lines and smoothing wrinkles. Achieve hydrated and tightened under eye skin with it. Unlike other under eye patches, these are vegan, paraben, and sulfate-free. Formulated with niacinamide to illuminate dull under eyes. They are simple to use and provide instant results. It's a great gift for any occasion. Perfect as a Christmas gift, stocking stuffer, or birthday gift. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who enjoys self-care. Used by Jessica Alba, Leona Lewis, and others. This is the perfect mask for women who enjoy self-care and effective beauty. You will love it too. What we like? These eye masks are perfect for anyone looking to brighten their under eye area. The vegan formula is gentle on the skin, and the cooling effect provides a refreshing sensation. If you like a quick and easy self-care routine with instant results, this is a must-try. What people say. The product is effective for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. The cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It helps to hydrate the delicate skin around the eyes. Number 3. Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. This is the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. It's designed to gently hydrate the delicate skin around your eyes. It's perfect for all skin types. The formula includes hyaluronic acid, which provides immediate and intense hydration. This hydration lasts for a full 24 hours, keeping your skin moisturized all day long. The unique gel cream formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It moisturizes deeply without feeling heavy on your skin. You'll love how it feels. This product is non-irritating and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for sensitive eyes. It's even safe for contact lens wearers, so you can use it with confidence. Like all Cetaphil products, this eye gel cream is effective yet gentle. It's specifically designed for sensitive skin, so you can trust it to care for your skin. What we like? This Cetaphil eye gel cream offers long-lasting hydration. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it ideal for daily use. If you have sensitive skin and need a gentle yet effective eye cream, this is a great option. What people say. The Ordinary Eye Cream is a great product for the price. It has a lightweight texture and absorbs quickly. It helps to hydrate the under eye area. Number 2. VELAMO Advanced Retinol Eye Stick. Introducing the VELAMO Advanced Retinol Eye Stick. This innovative balm is designed to renew and firm the delicate skin around your eyes. It's perfect for targeting those common signs of aging. This retinol-powered stick visibly smooths fine lines, crow's feet, and wrinkles. Use it in the evening to repair and rejuvenate while you sleep. The result is a more youthful appearance. It's enriched with retinol and bakuchiol, a natural alternative. This combination is gentle yet effective, and it helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. It also hydrates and plumps the skin. Application is simple, just glide the stick under your eyes. It's perfect for travel, as it's a solid, non-liquid formula. Start slowly to allow your skin to adjust, and then increase usage as needed. Infused with fullerenes, astaxanthin, and meadowfoam seed oil, it provides antioxidant protection and deep nourishment. This blend helps your skin recover from daily environmental stressors, leaving you refreshed. Dermatologist tested and safe for sensitive skin. You can pair it with our caffeine ice stick for a complete morning and night routine. Use it as part of your nightly ritual to target signs of aging. We stand by our product. If you're not fully satisfied, contact us for a hassle-free refund. Your happiness is our priority. What we like. This retinol eye stick is perfect for targeting fine lines and wrinkles. It's enriched with retinol and bakuchiol, providing anti-aging benefits. If you are a frequent traveler or prefer a convenient, mess-free application, you'll love this. What people say. The product is effective for reducing the appearance of dark circles. It helps to hydrate the under-eye area. The cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 1. CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream. Introducing CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream, designed to combat wrinkles and fine lines. This cream deeply hydrates and visibly smooths the delicate skin around your eyes, helping to restore its natural barrier. This firming eye cream contains caffeine to reduce puffiness. Peptides work to diminish the appearance of fine lines and crow's feet, while niacinamide helps smooth wrinkles. This eye wrinkle cream is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and allergy-tested. It's also ophthalmologist-tested and suitable for contact lens wearers. You can trust it to be gentle on your skin. The formula includes 3 essential ceramides, which are naturally found in the skin. These ceramides help maintain the skin's protective barrier, keeping it healthy and resilient. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists. This product is suitable for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. It's a reliable choice for your skincare routine. What we like. This CeraVe eye cream is designed to firm and brighten the delicate skin around your eyes. It contains caffeine and peptides to reduce puffiness and wrinkles. If you're looking for an effective, fragrance-free option to combat signs of aging, you should try it. What people say. The product is effective in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. The cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It provides hydration to the delicate skin around the eyes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.